How to gain fast XP in Animal Hospital Roblox. Want to level up quickly in Animal Hospital Roblox? Here's how to farm XP the fastest way. So, first, focus on shorter shifts like 1 to 3. They give consistent XP per minute and are safer than risking wipes in longer shifts. Second, treat patients correctly. Perfect streaks in DNA rooms gives bonus XP, so pay attention to details. Fourth, reject anomalies cleanly, spotting and rejecting them correctly as XP and animal coins. Last, unlock classes like surgeon and doctor early. They recover sanity and let you farm XP longer without wipes. Upgrade cameras to prevent wipes, use coffee to restore sanity, and play co-op with balanced teams for maximum XP. Don't grind long shifts too early. Dying mid-shift cancels XP payout, so play safe until you unlock stronger classes. The fastest XP grind is repeating short shifts, treating patients perfectly, and rejecting anomalies cleanly. Unlock surgeon first for sustainable farming.